Great morning from the tropical subcontinent of India. It's 6:20 in the morning and I woke up early because I slept very well yesterday. Also, you can see my hair and my face is oily because of all the oil I put yesterday on my hair. So it's Dashera today and I've got some free time today. So that is the reason why I'm making this video, to keep an update about all the things that I've been doing in the past few days. It's hard to vlog while riding. Speed breaker alerts. Today I have just one class. I teach social science to the 10th graders. Also, I got time to service the bicycle because I don't take my bicycle out in the rainy season. So throughout the season, I keep my bicycle in the backyard. So the rainy season is over. So yesterday I did all the servicing to my bicycle and it's ready for action now. But it's a great day. It's a bright day. And winters are coming, so all the winter clothes are coming out. Oh. Let's see how the day goes. It's been a long time since I've uploaded my last video. I don't get a lot of free time to make videos or to keep an update with you. Last few months have been a lot of hectic months for me because of all the moving out, settling down, rescheduling all my daily chores. So there were a lot of things that I had to consider to keep my daily operations smooth. So I planned this year's summer in the south and winters in the north. So I cancelled my plan to the south because of the pandemic situations and there were restrictions for traveling. But as everything is opening up, I will be continuing with my north trip. I'm planning to go to Darjeeling this December. I'll update about it, I don't know, in the future videos. So I am at this educational institution called as Alpha Minds Academy to give a lecture on tourism and history for the 10th graders. So let's see. So done with my lectures and now also done with the decoration or the Shera, and now I'll go home and then we'll see what to do further. I've started a small startup. It is called as Barney and Company. I cannot tell you everything about it, but I've decided to use the area that was in my kitchen for that. So I've made a small setup over here. So that's what my logo will look like. This is just a hand drawn, by the way. This kitchen area was big enough for my small setup. I cannot tell you what I'm working on right now, but eventually you will come to know. I'll give you update. Right now the startup is in research phase, or we can call it as a pre-production phase. See, I can monitor my videos over here because if you can see the camera,
इंसेप्शन हो रहा है.
इंसेप्शन हो रहा है. Inception is happening. कैमरा के अंदर कैमरा के अंदर कैमरा के अंदर. That is called. Recently, I've been doing some research on the commodity called as coffee because it is a consumable product. I'll show you. This is from Starbucks and this is from a local coffee shop. So usually
In lot of coffee shops in India, uh, either they are specialty coffee roasters or they have a mixture of Arabica beans and Robusta beans. So these guys claim that they have 100% Arabica beans, and top 3% of the world's coffee beans are from Starbucks, as they claim. Now I'm not sure about it because I haven't graded yet any coffees, so I'm not sure. So for grading a coffee, we need at least a let's say 350 grams minimum. As per the international coffee standards, we need 350 grams of minimum raw coffee beans, not roasted, so we can grade it properly. I'll explain you how to grade coffee in my later videos.
आहेत आणि वॅक्सिन घ्यायची आहे. आम्ही ना रात्री लगेच म्हणजे जसं कळालं ना अर्धा तास तरी लावला का ह्यानी ना विशालला फोन केला, बोलतो अरे हमें ना
मी
वॅक्सिन
तुम्हाला बोललेलो ना का मी पण येणार आहे.
तू आमच्यासोबत तेव्हा हँगआउट.
So this winter I'm going to Darjeeling, and I'm not doing it solo because my friends are also going to join me. You know them both from my previous video logs also. So any updates further, I'll tell you. Till then, I'll enjoy my coffee. This is a Sumatra roast from Indonesia.
चलो मी पण वाईट केलंय मग. 1 2 3 गो.
ठीक आहे मी काय आता जिंकलो बा मी.
I will show you how to eat burger like a pro.
आणि काय
Some fries. Which idea? You have to put some fries on it. See above? And then you have to eat the burger. I'll show you. ASMR videos.